What is this? Mommy. We're gonna put the lip. Put it here. Here. Okay, face it. Okay. Mommy.
Wow, very good. Very good.
No. Where's the nose? Nose of Ivan. Uy! Okay,
Pinag mo
Ivan.
naman si ano.
How about this? Eyebrow. Gusto ba eyebrow ni Ivan?
Kailangan nyo. Kailangan nyo.
Wow, color. Wow.
Lagyan natin ang name. Ivan. Yay! Okay.
Yay.
Put some, hair. Hairy. Uy, red eyes na siya. Okay. We're gonna put it there. Palagay sa church. Okay, Ivan.